Hey girl, hey, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video and even giving it a view. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my everyday makeup routine. So if you're interested in knowing what I do, then keep watching. First, we're going to start off with the brows. I'm actually going to do my brows off camera because they take the longest. So hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so one thing that I like to do is add an illuminator to my face before I add foundation. I don't really mess with primer too much. Like, I like to illuminate a lot more than prime. I don't have problems with my pores or anything, so illuminating is fine with me. Make sure you check the description box for all the products. I'm gonna list them below because I don't know them offhand, so yeah. Alright, so my next step is foundation. I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and the color 330, which is toffee. I love this foundation. It's just the best. Like, I use this literally every day. Literally. This is the best drugstore foundation. Get into it, okay? Get into it. Oh, and I'm blending this all out with my Beauty Blender by the crayon case. Everyday look, I don't like to use a lot of foundation. I just like to use light coverage just to even out my skin tone and just make me look like flawless, a blank canvas. Alright y'all, so the next step in my routine is to conceal. I'm using the LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Fawn. I really like this concealer because it's full coverage. It covers all of my dark circles and all of my bags. Because I be having bags, I be partying at Bella Noche's. I mean, it's like, if you can't go to Bella Noche's, then where could you go? And if you notice, I use products that are closest to my skin tone or like an exact match because I like it to look like I have no makeup on when I really do for every day. And now I'm just going to go ahead and blend this concealer out with a concealer brush. And I do like to bring any excess concealer that's left on the brush and sweep it over my eyelids because my eyelids are really dark as well. So I just do that to cover it a little bit. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in and lightly contour my face. And with contouring, I do the bare minimum, of course. Now I'm going in to set my concealer. I'm using the Airspun powder to set. I'm not going to bake this. I don't like baking. Baking is not for me. I don't like the appearance of it. I just look like a ghost if I bake. If you bake, to each his own, it's just not for me. But I'm using Airspun as a press powder. You literally can find Airspun anywhere: Walmart, CVS, Rite Aid, drugstore, wherever. Yeah, and it's very affordable, real affordable. So yep. And I already know my frontal is lifting, so don't drag me in the comments. I'll fix it after this video. So yeah, it's real cute though. This lace is laid, okay? Nothing but scalp. Nothing but scalp, sis. Get into it, honey. Get into it. Then I'm gonna just go back in and deepen my contour a little bit more because I felt like it got washed out with that powder. So next I'm gonna go in and highlight my face with the Honor Roll highlighter by the crayon case. I did set my face with a setting spray before I did start highlighting. But y'all, this highlighter is bomb as fuck. I love this highlighter. It's one of my favorites. That is pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that way you're notified each time I upload a video just like this one. And follow me on all my social media platforms at jazminetanaya. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.